Good evening, class 10 students. All are Shaba, CBSE, NCRT, and I have taken mathematics class of whose chapter is polynomial. In class 9, some idea in class 9 of polynomial. In class 10 also polynomial, important lesson of polynomial. The polynomial class 10. Number 1, linear polynomial. Linear means power twice px equal to, example, px equal to twice x plus 3. Linear means power is 1. Degree of the variable power is 1. It is linear. Linear polynomial means in any polynomial, highest power of the degree is 1. Linear polynomial. Number 2, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Example, px equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Px equal to 7x square plus x plus 1. Degree of the variable highest power is 2. This is good. Power is 2. 2 means quadratic. Highest power 2 quadratic. Highest power is 1 linear quadratic polynomial. Number 3, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Any polynomial, highest power of the degree of the polynomial, any polynomial, degree of the polynomial is 3. This is called cubic polynomial. Now, if alpha comma beta, this is the Greek word spelling alpha, beta are two zeros of a quadratic polynomial, px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is quadratic polynomial. Sum of 0. Very, very important. Sum of zeros. Alpha beta 2 0. Sum of 0 means alpha plus beta. We have written if alpha and beta 2 zeros of quadratic polynomial. The sum of 0 alpha plus b equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. B means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. X is coefficient b. Coefficient of x square. X square minus b by a. Coefficient of x means b. Coefficient of x square means a. So minus b by a. Product of 0. Product of zeros. Alpha into beta. C by a. C means constant term. Constant term. A means coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Alpha beta Greek letter. Alpha beta gamma Greek letter. You see exercise 2.2. Find the zero of the quadratic. Find the zero of a quadratic polynomial. Number 1, x square minus twice x minus 8. X square coefficient means 1, x coefficient 2 minus 8. You compare this one, ax square plus bx plus c. You compare this quadratic polynomial. You compare the quadratic polynomial. A means 1, means 1, b means minus 2, c means 8. You write a equal to 1 comparing quadratic polynomial. This given question you have compared with quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. X square coefficient to a, x coefficient b, c constant term. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 8. This find the zero of the quadratic polynomial. Zero of quadratic polynomial. Px equal to x square minus twice x minus 8. X square, you first factorize. 8 1 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 4 minus 2 into x minus 8. Minus 4x plus twice x minus 8. You take common, x is common, x minus 4 plus 2 is common, x minus 4. X minus 4, x plus 2. So 0 of px, 0 of px, x minus 4 equal to 0, therefore x equal to 4, equal to 0, x equal to minus 2, 0, zeros are 4, minus 2. So, question number 2. Find the zero of a quadratic polynomial. 4u square plus 8u. You take 4u common, u plus 2. Zeros of polynomial. Four u equal to 0, u equal to 0 by 4 equal to 0, u plus 2 equal to 0, u equal to minus 2. There were two zeros, 0, minus 2. You see, to form quadratic polynomial, or how to form quadratic polynomial. Let alpha comma beta, two zeros of px. Px means polynomial, x square plus bx plus c. Alpha comma beta, two zeros of quadratic polynomial. That is quadratic polynomial means x square plus bx plus c. Sum of 0 minus b by a. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. Product of 0 c by a. Quadratic polynomial 1 2, 3. Quadratic polynomial, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. X square minus sum of 0 into x plus product of 0. This is a form of quadratic polynomial. This is the formula. This is the formula of quadratic polynomial. Form x square minus sum of 0 into x. Sum of 0 means alpha plus beta, sum of 0. Sum of 0 into x plus product of 0. This is the form of quadratic polynomial. Yes. A quadratic polynomial. 2.28, question number 2. Find quadratic polynomial. Polynomial. Which sum of 0 and product of 0 given. Number 1, 1, 1. Sum of 0 equal to 1. Sum of 0 equal to 1. This is product of 0. Product of 0 equal to 1. Therefore, quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of 0 into x plus product of 0. X square minus sum of 0 means 1. 1 into x, a product of 0 means 1. This is the formula. Or sum of 0 a 1, product of 0 1. Or this one you see, sum of 0 alpha plus beta equal to 1. Product of 0 alpha into beta equal to 1. The quadratic polynomial equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. X square minus alpha plus beta means 1 into x plus 1. So there is two type of rule. Two rules given without quadratic polynomial. Alpha beta. Sum of 0 1, product of 0 1. Quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of 0 into x product of 0. Direct you put the value here. Again alpha beta two zeros of quadratic polynomial. Sum of 0 is equal to alpha plus beta equal to 1. Product of 0 alpha into beta equal to 1. Quadratic polynomial x square minus alpha plus beta means sum of 0 into x. Product of alpha into beta, x square minus 1. This is very easy method. Sum of 0 equal to 0. Product of 0. Question number 2. Sum of 0 is 0. Product of 0 root 5. Quadratic polynomial. X square minus sum of 0. 0 into x plus product of 0 root 5. This is the answer. X square plus root 5. Here is the method. or alpha plus beta sum of 0 0, alpha into beta product of 0 equal to root 5, quadratic polynomial, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, x square minus 0 into x plus root 5, x square plus root 5, 0 into x 0. Next, standard sum have given minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Very, very important sum. Very, very important sum. You see, let alpha comma beta be two quadratic, be two zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Yeah. Let alpha comma beta two zeros of quadratic polynomial. The sum of 0, alpha plus beta, sum of 0. Sum of 0, sum of zeros, minus 1 by 4. Product of 0. Product of zeros, alpha into beta 1 by 4. Quadratic polynomial, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Third bracket, k into x square minus, any fraction is given, you write k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. K into bracket x square minus alpha plus beta minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. Quadratic polynomial, k into third bracket x square minus bracket 1 by 4 alpha plus beta minus 1 by 4 into x plus alpha into beta 1 by 4. Say k equal to 4. This is 4, you can write k equal to 4. This is 3, k equal to 3. This is 2, k equal to 2. This is the answer. Say k equal to 4. Quadratic polynomial. You put k equal to 4. K equal to 4 from where? You see, denominator is 4, you k equal to 4. Denominator is 2, k equal to 2. Denominator 5, k equal to 5. 4 into x square minus bracket 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. You multiply by 4. 4x square, 4 cancel, minus plus x, 4 cancel 1. This is the answer. Very easy method, you see. Any fraction, sum of 0, product of 0, any fraction is given, you can put k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x, alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta minus 1 by 4, alpha into beta multiplied by 4, answer. It's standard method. So next class tomorrow, 8:30 p.m. you follow this question class.